Side of Judicial Service Commission and the judiciary, we don't see why there should be any tussle, because there shouldn't be any at any given time, because what governs the relationship between the three arms of government is the Constitution of 2010. And we must be alive to the fact that this Constitution was passed by the people of Kenya. And I don't think there's anybody amongst us in either of the arms of the government that has a discretion to choose what to implement and what not to implement. The three arms are separate. We accept they're independent. But speaking specifically to the issue of the independence of the judiciary, that is not something that can be negotiated, because it's a constitutional imperative. It's expected that judiciary must be independent. And we must accept that that is in the interest of everybody, including the politicians, because nobody would want a judiciary that can kowtow to any party. In fact, we keep saying that you may not see the need for an independent judiciary probably when you're in power. But when you're not in power, that's when you realize the importance of that institution, because it is the same institution that will be able to serve and protect you. So judiciary will remain independent regardless, because that's what is expected of it by the 2010 Constitution. Judges, let's remember one thing. Judges and judicial officers, they'll sometimes rule in favor of a party, and other times they rule against, depending on the facts and evidence and the law of the matter at hand. That is normal. There's nothing unusual about that. Remember, we are the employers. We are the ones who employ the judges and judicial officers. We are the ones who take them through disciplinary process. They also rule against us many times. And when they rule against us, we go through the process, we'll appeal. If we win, we are happy. If we don't win, we just comply with the orders. And if there's anything that we need to rectify in terms of our policies or processes, we rectify and we move on.
Now, Acirithania arĩa magĩkoragwo makĩruta